Well, everybody, welcome to Rat Dog Bicycles. I have a bicycle here. It's a BMX style. Sorry, it's a mongoose. I'm not sure what make it is. I think it's an L20. I have done some cleaning. I sprayed it with some soap and water stuff and kind of wiped it down a little bit. Sprayed some WD-40 on some nuts and bolts and stuff. The one thing I'm concerned about is the wheels themselves. All the pictures I'm finding online are all black, not white. So I'm thinking somebody put these on after they got the bike. They've taken some cables off and done their own thing. I've cleaned the handlebars. They're shined up a little bit, but I know some little tricks to get it better. Haven't cleaned the sprocket yet. It's just a through axle type thing. Still has the original seat. These are still the original handlebars. It says mongoose on them. One of these are kind of sticky, so I may have to replace the hand grips, but that's okay. Seat's a little bent. Let's see. It does have some battle scars, but I have some ideas. See if I can zoom in. Oop, that's too much. There's one right there on one of the down tube things. So it does have some battle scars, but I have some ideas. I'll wait and show them later. It's got some down over here. I don't know if you can see up top. No, you can't. Keep wanting to stick my hand in front. There it is. It's some more white scars on there and stuff. It is kind of rusty. On the bottom bracket. It's kind of crunchy, a little hard to turn. Pedals, this one's real faded. This one's still black, so I'm thinking about maybe putting new pedals on it. I'm also thinking about changing out the wheels, going to all black. I don't know what I'm going to do with these white ones, but that's what I'll do. Yeah. Let's see. I took the busted up chain guard. I took it off. Still got some battle scars here, over here. Like I said, I got some little idea. Seat post is super rusty. I'm not sure about all, post inside the head tube or whatever. I'm not sure. That's all rusty. I hadn't checked that yet. So I just kind of wiped the frame down a little bit and wiped the handlebars off, trying to get some of it to come back and make it a little more shinier. But yeah, I don't know what year it is, but I picked it up for I think $25. I also got another bicycle when I got this one, so I got two of them, two different kinds. But I guess that's it. So I'll see y'all in the next video.